Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to install Jira on Windows. All right, let's begin. First, open the Microsoft Store on your Windows computer. You can find it on your taskbar or search for it through the Start menu. Make sure you're logged into your Microsoft account for a smoother download process. Once inside the store, type Jira into the search bar at the top. Look for the desktop app for Jira and click on it to open its installation page. Here you can review the app description, screenshots, and system requirements to ensure your computer is compatible. Next, click the Get or Install button to start downloading the app. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. Once the download is complete, Windows will automatically handle the installation, so there's no need for extra setup steps. After installation, launch Jira and take some time to explore its interface, features, and project management tools to familiarize yourself with the platform. So, that's basically how you can install Jira on Windows. That's it for this video. Thanks.